In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Meadowbrook Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Meadowbrook. Bible knowledge, which two disciples were known as Boanerges?
Philip and Nathaniel.
Incorrect. James and John. Bible knowledge. Denbigh, the disciples James and John were known as Boanerges, which means sons of what?
God.
Incorrect. Thunder. Science. Meadowbrook, what type of animal is an octopus? Is it a vertebrate or invertebrate?
Invertebrate.
Correct. Science. Denbigh, which type of animal is a bird? A vertebrate or invertebrate?
Vertebrate.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. A visual question. Meadowbrook, look at the monitor and identify the person. Incorrect. It's Dennis Gordon, Member of Parliament. Jamaican affairs. A visual question for you also, Denbigh. Look at the monitor and name this person.
Dennis Strong.
Incorrect. Dwayne Smith, Member of Parliament. Meadowbrook, English language. What is the meaning of the root word pedi as used in pedicure?
Foot.
Correct. English language. Denbigh, what is the meaning of the root word phil as used in philanthropy?
Obby.
Incorrect. Love of or fondness. Television, a visual question. Meadowbrook, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Geppetto.
From Pinocchio, that's correct. Television, a visual question. Denbigh, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Sylvester.
Incorrect. Figaro from Pinocchio. General knowledge. Meadowbrook, in which ocean is the island of Tahiti located?
Pacific Ocean.
Correct. Denbigh, general knowledge. The Gulf of Mexico directly empties into which ocean?
Atlantic Ocean.
That's right. Social studies. Meadowbrook, what is another name for the vernal equinox?
Spring equinox.
That's correct. Social studies. Denbigh, in what month does the spring equinox occur?
February.
Incorrect. March. Music. Meadowbrook, which school finished as runner-up in TVJ's Altogether Sing competition in 2024?
St. Diego High.
Incorrect. Central High. Music. Denbigh, which school finished third in TVJ's Altogether Sing competition in 2024?
St. Diego High.
That's correct. Meadowbrook, mathematics, what number when added to 198 is equal to 722? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Denbigh?
Yes, please. 514.
Incorrect. It's 524. Mathematics for you, Denbigh. What number when added to 278 is equal to 971?
693.
That's correct. Sports, a visual question. Meadowbrook, look at the monitor and identify this NBA player.
Jamorant.
Incorrect. Shea Alexander. Sports, a visual question. Denbigh, look at the monitor and identify this NBA player.
Kobe Bryant.
Incorrect. Tyrese Halliburton. And we don't have time for that or any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 5 and Denbigh Primary just 1 point behind on 4. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Use calming instrumental music. It helps you to focus without distractions. Very useful tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.